Hey guys, what's going on today? This is Joe again with JTT Auto Repair. Today I was working on a 1973 Ford F250 Customs. Got the V8 in it. A little bit of a picture of it right there. It's the Ford here. We replaced the radiator in it today. So basically for this job that I did on this one, here's the tools that I used. I used a 1/4-inch ratchet with a 10mm socket, as well as an 8mm socket for my 1/4-inch ratchet. I used a 3/8 ratchet. I got a 13mm socket. Got an extension here, a 3/8, a 1/4-inch extension. So to replace the radiator in this one here, I'll kind of show you what we had to do. You got a bolt right there. That is a 13mm bolt. You have another one down there, which is a 13mm bolt. Then come over here to the passenger side and you have two more. You have one right there and one down there. Both 13mm bolts. Then we got the fan shroud right here. And the fan shroud is, you got one right there. Let's see if we can get a better picture here. Right there. Got one right there. And then you got one way down there. Both of these ones on this fan shroud are 10mm bolts. As well as on the driver's side, you got one right there and right there. Both 10mm bolts as well. And then, so we replaced this radiator. We put a new radiator in it. The old radiator had a big old hole at the bottom of it, so there was no way to save it or anything like that. We put new hoses in there. There's the upper radiator right here, and as you can see, there's the lower radiator, both new. Put clamps on it. There's a clamp, there's a clamp, then you got bottom clamp and a clamp, and those are the ones right there that we used, the 8mm socket with the 1/4-inch ratchet to tighten those ones up there. And then of course we're just kind of filling it up with coolant here, and as you can see right here, I'll show you on this one. We'll fire it up. There is a little, kind of looks like an Allen wrench right there. So if you take that out of there, once you get it, you can kind of bleed it from right there, bleed the cooling system. Or if you got that spill funnel, you can also use that in there. I'll show you guys exactly what it is. Here's the spill funnel. Like I said, we got one from Matco. It's part number right there, SFF2LA. Is the part number for the Matco. I mean, you can go buy one anyway. You can buy one at Harbor Freight for a lot cheaper than what we bought that one at Matco. But there it is. We're using this kind of coolant here, full strength, so you do have to add water. When you add water, I recommend that you do not use tap water. Go down to the store, get you some distilled water, mix it half and half, and then add it. Don't use tap water, not good. But that's basically how you change out the radiator. Those are the tools you need on a 1973 Ford F250. If this video was helpful to you guys, like, share, comment. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to our page, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll hope to post more videos here soon. Thanks.